It's a big week for basketball and also a big week for outdoor activities for spring break.
But Blake, if I want to watch the games, will I want to do it, say, outside at a sports bar so I can enjoy the weather too?
Yes, yes, and yes.
Okay.
We are a city of retractable roofs. I think our new TV station ought to have a retractable roof. What do you think?
That'd be brilliant.
I love that.
That'd be beautiful.
I think so. We'll go ahead and put that in the Dropbox for
Suggestions.
Yeah, right.
Put your name on it.
You're right. I absolutely will. Hey, you know it was a gorgeous day today, and we are 8 days away, guys. 8 until we reach the first part of spring, and temperatures are going to be on the rise. In fact, Brooks and I were looking at some of the long-range forecast models. How about upper 80s possible in the next 7 to 10 days? Just a possibility. Of course, wouldn't surprise us because our first 90 on record is way back in February. So temperatures are on the rise. By the way, spring break forecast heading into your Tuesday, 65 degrees tomorrow in Galveston under nice sunny skies. South Padre Island cloudy with a temperature of 68. Gulf Shores, Pensacola, look how chilly it is. We're talking high temperatures right around 60 degrees heading into your Tuesday. So if your travel plans are taking you east of Houston, definitely take some sweaters. And of course, Miami, even chilly for them with a high temperature of 70 degrees all under those mostly sunny skies. Very much like what we have here over the downtown skyline of Houston. An absolutely spectacular day here across the area. 66 is the current temperature there at Bush Intercontinental Airport with a northerly wind right around 13 miles an hour. Taking a look out over Moody Gardens, another shot, a very nice shot there, beautiful of Galveston Island. Current temperatures across the board, mid-60s, just about area-wide. Take your pick. Looks like the warm spot, Sugarland, coming in at 67 degrees with a northerly wind between 9 and about 15 to 16 miles per hour. Now, those northerly winds are driving those temperatures down. In fact, we are some 10 to 12 degrees cooler than we were just this time yesterday afternoon. As we take a look across the nation, not a whole lot going on, but we are seeing a big storm system wrap up here across North Carolina, where they've got winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings out across portions of that state, and that is going to translate all up into the east coast of the United States. We're talking about the megalopolis from Philly all the way into Boston, and believe it or not, they actually have blizzard warnings in effect at this time for eastern Massachusetts. That does include areas just to the south and east of Boston near Plymouth. Still talking about blizzard conditions as we head into the middle part of March. Now, temperatures across the state of Texas, nice and cool for this time of year. 62 in Dallas, 66 in Houston, Austin, and San Antonio. Overnight lows tonight as we wake up tomorrow morning. We're talking about 46, 47 degrees here in the city of Houston, 42 up in Dallas, and flirting with freezing there up in Wichita Falls. Again, all of this thanks in part to a big high pressure system that has moved into the southern U.S. Anytime you have a big blue H in the proximity, we're talking about nice, tranquil weather, and that's going to last us all the way through the end of this coming week, or the end of this week that we're currently in. Take a look at the forecast temperatures for tonight. Moving on down into the 40s as we wake up tomorrow morning, with models showing 44 degrees by the time we get to about 8 o'clock. I think that's a really good number. In fact, some areas could end up in the upper 30s, especially if you're up to the north of town. As far as the future track goes, we'll just let this run. Maybe a cloud or two passing through the area, but that is about it. So again, all outdoor activities are a go at this time for the remainder of the week. As far as your 7-day outlook, 68 degrees for tomorrow, 70 on Wednesday. St. Patrick's Day, at least right now, looking pretty good. 20% chance of a few splash and dash showers. And then temperatures warming up into the mid-80s by the time we get to next week.
St. Patty's Day is almost here.
St. Patty's Day.
The year's just flying by.
Sure is.